display secured! Yay! Tingnan nyo naman yung view na yan. Ang ganda! Wow! It's so nice here. At ayan na nga si Mr. Pure Energy. Nire-ready na ang kanyang setup for tonight. Ayan, excited kami both. Kahit medyo mainit dito. Pero ang saya-saya. So, thank you talaga Hard Rock Cafe for this wonderful venue. Wow, kala mo sponsored. Ayan, so, sama ko kayo sa aming show later. So, hulas na yung lola nyo, pero chill lang dito. So, ayan na yung nachos ni Hard Rock Cafe. Wow! Right in front of Ferris wheel na dahil nagpapapicture. So, ito na nga yung order nating pizza. Thin pizza, sobrang thin. Oo. At ayan, may nachos tayo. And, kakain muna tayo ng konti bago mag-start yung show. O, diba? Sila ang main event namin dito sa Hard Rock Cafe, but the fireworks display later. Ayun si Mr. Pure Energy sa kanto. So yung premium seat natin natatakpan na rin, so nagbayad tayo ng additional entrance fee on top of the food. Pero yung palang mga nasa inside pwede rin silang tumayo. I think, I'm not sure if they have entrance fee din or consumable lang. Pero this is how it looks like. It's around 724. Oo nga eh, but it's okay. Para sa asawa ko talaga to. Diba? Yung maganda, yung matagal bumagsak. Like that. It's so nice.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. And damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date, you're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I